A new leak has surfaced. In the world of technology, it speaks of a secret project from OpenAI. The project has a simple code name, Sweet Pea. This is not another software update, nor a new version of ChatGPT. Instead, it is a physical product, a small wearable you place behind your ear. Think of it as a type of earbud, but built with a completely different purpose in mind, not just for listening to music or taking phone calls. The leaks suggest an entirely new category of device, built from the ground up to bring AI into your daily life, in a more constant, personal way. The news comes from multiple sources, leakers and supply chain analysts. OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, is moving into hardware. A big step for a company known for AI models to control the entire user experience, from software to device. Sweet Pea is reportedly the first of several hardware products. OpenAI is planning a major push into consumer electronics, and it is starting with your ear. Not just another accessory, it aims to be a constant companion, an AI assistant always with you, always ready to help. This idea moves AI away from our screens and puts it into the world around us. We would interact through voice, and it would understand the context of our lives. Whispers about Sweet Pea suggest a future where AI interaction is not typing on a keyboard, but conversation with a device that lives discreetly with us all day. It is an ambitious vision, and one now taking tangible form. The involvement of famous designer Jony Ive adds intrigue, the mind behind the iPhone and the original AirPods. Last year, OpenAI acquired his design firm, Love From. People are watching closely. Reports put Sweet Pea at the top of OpenAI's priority list. Cutting-edge AI plus world-class design, translation, navigation, notifications, and more. A smooth eggstone metal case with two pill-shaped modules inside. That's the gist. The physical appearance of Sweet Pea is one of its most talked-about features. According to leaks, it will not look like the earbuds we use today. Current earbuds, like Apple's AirPods, fit inside the ear canal. Sweet Pea takes a different approach, a small pill-shaped module that rests behind the ear. The bulk of electronics lives back there. Battery, processor, intentionally solving comfort and stability. First, comfort. In-ear buds can cause fatigue. Shifting weight behind the ear reduces pressure and ear canal fatigue. It also makes the device more stable, less likely to fall out during movement. Running, exercising, commuting, designed to stay put for daily life. The leaks also describe an eggstone-shaped metal charging case with a minimalist finish, something unseen before. Premium materials, and unique form, aiming high-end, crafted not plastic, not just looks. More space behind the ear allows larger batteries and better thermal management for always-on AI. Processors generate heat, extra surface area helps dissipate it. Every detail supports a continuously operating AI wearable. That's pretty much the idea. The hardware inside Sweet Pea is reportedly far more powerful than typical earbuds. The leaks point to a 2-nanometer processor. Smaller means more efficient and powerful, handling complex calculations quickly. This suggests significant on-device processing, not just a Bluetooth receiver. It will have its own brain. Mijn pschefters, bij gemiden, aan dobersten, en jou bend, nan, aan schoffen per engerandrin andem, per kim bam boppower, trur mauer shar, per fame powell, one at that. In addition to the main processor, it's rumored to have a custom AI coprocessor. A dedicated AI chip boosts efficiency and preserves battery life. Many AI tasks could run locally, faster and more private. Listening for a wake word or simple commands, instant, no cloud needed. That enables an always-on assistant that still works offline for basics. The bill of materials is closer to a smartphone. Expensive, high-performance components. Each module reportedly houses its own battery and processor, giving the device independence from your phone. Leaks claim it can replace iPhone actions by commanding Siri, becoming an active controller for your devices. Smartphone-class hardware turns a simple earbud into a powerful computing platform. Yeah, that's the claim. Today, we use AI on screens. Open an app, type, wait. Sweet Pea aims to make it seamless and conversational, always listening for your commands. Access to ChatGPT-level intelligence at any moment, just by speaking. No pulling out your phone, no unlocking, no hunting for apps. It simply assists throughout your day, transforming daily tasks. Sam Altman says smartphones feel like Times Square. The future device should feel like a quiet cabin by a lake, filtering noise, surfacing what matters. Over time, it learns preferences and anticipates needs, building trust. Beyond Q&A, it could manage your digital life by interacting with apps. Send a message, schedule an event, play a song. By commanding apps through voice, Sweet Pea could be your central hub. Yeah, that's the vision. Beyond audio, the promise of advanced sensors. Leaked component diagrams show ultrasonic transmitters and skin contact sensors. A device aware of you and your environment. Ultrasonics can map space, detect objects, and understand room layout, enabling contextual awareness. It could adapt to a quiet office, a noisy cafe, a crowded subway, adjusting ANC or speaking more loudly. It might pick up a siren or a doorbell and bring it to your attention. Skin sensors can detect wear state and potentially track metrics like heart rate, breathing, or stress signals. That opens wellness use cases, break reminders, activity tracking, truly context-aware AI. Leave the office late? It could suggest a ride. Sit to focus. It might start a focus playlist. The promise is an assistant that deeply understands the context of your life. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. Finally, we have the first prototypes. Johnny Ive expects a reveal in 2 years or less, targeting near September 2026. Production reportedly shifted from Luxor to Foxconn, a sign of moving from prototyping to mass manufacturing. Targets: 40-50 million units in year 1, rivaling AirPods. Ambitious for a first wearable. Manufacturing is slated for Vietnam. Foxconn is preparing capacity for 5 OpenAI devices by 2028. Sweet Pea may be just the beginning. Altman and Ive wrote about creating a family of devices, bringing AI off the screen and into real life. The potential is exciting and unsettling. Helpful, less intrusive tech. Manage schedules, get instant info, be more present without staring at screens. But privacy is paramount. Always listening raises big questions. Where is data stored? Who has access? How is it protected? Altman has hinted at devices that could know what you've thought, read, said, powerful, and terrifying if mishandled. Humane AI pin, Rabbit R1. Hype isn't enough. Hardware must be magical, useful, and priced right.